Hey guys, I'm not even going to waste your time. You already know what it is. I'm going to give you my first impression and a demo of the Pattern Beauty line by Tracee Ellis Ross. Super excited to try it out. So here are my thoughts and here's the demo. So first we're going to start with her hydration shampoo, which gently cleanses and hydrates. All of these products have a certain smell to them, and on the website she describes it as clean, not overpowering, but a mix of jasmine and sweet sandalwood and bergamot, which I don't know what they are, but apparently it's an exotic floral scent. And as you can see here, you do not need a lot, okay? I put way too much, and as you can see, it suds up very well. So that was probably the first little mistake I did when doing this demo, but yeah, definitely a little goes a long way with this shampoo. And it was very, as it says, hydrating. I didn't feel like it dried my hair out at all. Loved it. Next, we're going to follow up with her medium conditioner for curlies. It's the Hydrate and Nourish one. And I opted to get the medium conditioner because on the website it describes it as being really good for low porosity curls that nourishes them and defines them but doesn't weigh them down. So I opted to get the medium. I know there's also heavy and intense, which I think is more of a deep conditioner. But now that I'm looking back and going through it, I might have done a little bit better going with the heavy conditioner, only because this medium one doesn't clump my curls up that well, and it really does let the curls flourish. So I kind of like my hair to be a little more clumpy and put together, so maybe I want to try like the heavy conditioner and see if there makes a difference. But the medium was very good for what it did. It did soften, and as you can see, I was able to detangle with it. So yeah. And as you can see again with the conditioner, a little does go a long way. I put way too much and it just seeped right out. So a little bit is all you need. I'll also say with this medium conditioner that it was pretty thick for just medium. So I can only imagine how heavy the heavy conditioner is. So just keep that in mind. Next is her leave-in conditioner, and with this one there's not like 3 different kinds or anything like that. It's just one standard conditioner, and I would say this is my favorite part so far, the leave-in conditioner. It defines and moisturizes. So the leave-in conditioner definitely left a nice shine on my hair. I did appreciate that. And looking in the back, it does have castor seed oil, jojoba, biotin, and I see tea tree on here. So there's, an avocado. So there's some oils on here that you will recognize, but they aren't the first ingredients. They are, a little lower down on the list after, I think there's like some methosulfate in there. So there's some things you want to be aware of. Your hair might not get along with, but just a forewarning. Lastly, she did come out with 2 hair serums. There's the jojoba oil one and the argan oil one, and I chose to get the argan oil because I liked the description. It was great for promoting hair strength and health by keeping the strands elastic and moisturized, and that's something I really need lately. So I opted to get this one instead of jojoba, but this was actually really nice as well. I don't really use hair serum, so this was nice to add like as a little finishing touch. So this is my hair coming out the shower. As you can see, they're not clumped and defined too much, and I will say it's because the conditioner I used was on the lighter end. But to get some less frizz and definition, I opted to use the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and I opted to use this gel particularly because it gets along with all of my hair products. I've never had an issue with it until today. As you can see, my hair is not really reacting like it usually does. It's even kind of getting some kind of white residue, and it's not like in the curl maker, y'all. It's not getting along with it. It doesn't even feel good. Nope, I'm not even gonna lie to you. They don't get along with curl maker. So I just did that one side to your left. I just did curl maker on that side, and on the right I just left it alone with the leave-in conditioner and the hair serum. So we're just gonna wait till it dries and see how it comes out. So here we are a few hours later, and on the left side you can see it is looking a little dry on the frizzy end, but there is no white residue. It all dried up, so thank goodness for that. Definition is poppin'. The bang sections on both sides are a little sad, but that's because they're confused. They're used to, a curler and a gel helping them out, but we're doing a real wash and go today. So here it is. Here we are, just a few hours later. I just went ahead and twisted up the bangs to get them out the way since they wanted to act up and be so crazy. But here we are with the final results. As you can see, my hair is super shrunken up, so you already know it's super moisturized. The curl definition is definitely there. I just wish you would come out next with like a cream styler and like a gel. I think that would be really awesome and go really well with the whole system. But for now, this is definitely a good start. I do think everything really cleansed my hair, really moisturized it, and the serum was a nice little touch as well. So these are my results. I give it a go. Definitely want to try it again with some other gels that I have, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like if it helped you, and subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.